High above the Rhine River, Schloss Drachenburg rises like a castle from a fairy tale. At first glance, it appears to be a true medieval fortress, shaped by battles and centuries of history. But its story is far more surprising. Schloss Drachenburg was built in the late 19th century, not for defense, but as a romantic vision inspired by the Middle Ages. Commissioned by wealthy financier Stefan von Sarter, the castle was meant to reflect prestige, imagination, and admiration for medieval architecture. Its towers, terraces, and richly decorated facades were designed to impress rather than protect. Every detail reveals the fascination with legends, knights, and the romantic spirit of the Rhine Valley. Over the years, the castle served many different purposes. It was used as a residence, later as a school, and eventually fell into decline before being carefully restored. Today, it stands once again as one of the most remarkable historic monuments in the region. From above, the harmony between architecture and landscape becomes truly striking. Overlooking the Rhine, the castle seems suspended between history and dream, blending seamlessly with the hills and forests around it. Schloss Drachenburg is not a medieval stronghold shaped by war, but a castle born from imagination. And perhaps that is what makes it even more captivating. Standing proudly above the Rhine Valley, it remains a symbol of romantic architecture, timeless beauty, and the enduring power of dreams.